Hello my friends and welcome back to the Lazy Workaholic channel, the place where we learn to work less and achieve more. Today we'll dive into one of the simplest yet the most powerful financial tools out there, and that is compound interest. I always love math. If math is not your thing, if you're just a beginner, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only what compound interest is, but also how it can transform your money step by step. I will also share a free and simple online calculator where you can play with numbers based on what you want to achieve, so you can see the magic happening. Stay tuned and let's start. Let's start simple. Compound interest is interest on interest. Before we jump into the numbers, let's take a moment to fully understand what compound interest is and how it works. Think of it like planting a tree. In the first year, it's small. In the second year, it's a little taller. And it's also stronger, so it grows faster. By year 5 or 10, it's not just adding one more small branch. It's adding whole new layers of growth. That's what happens with money under compound interest. Your original investment earns some interest. Then, the next year, both of your original money and the interest you earned are working together to create even more growth. This cycle repeats again and again. The longer you let it go, the faster it accelerates. Just like that tree. It's slow in the beginning, but unstoppable later. That's why compound interest is sometimes called money making money. Because your euros, your dollars, don't just sit there, they multiply. Imagine you put 10,000 euros into an account with 7% growth per year. After 1 year, you have 10,700 euros. After 2 years, not just 10,000 euros growing, but also the 700 from the first year. After 3 years, you are earning interest on a bigger and bigger pile. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. Every turn makes it bigger. That's why people say compound interest is eighth wonder of the world. It's not luck. It's math working for you. Here's the real secret. Time matters more than the amount you invest. Let's compare two people. Person A starts investing 300 euros per month at the age of 25. Person B waits until the age of 40, then starts the same 300 euros per month. By the age of 65, person A ends with several 100,000 euros more. Not because person A was smarter or richer, but simply because person A gave their money more years to grow. When it comes to compounding, every year you wait doesn't just cost you that year of growth. It costs you decades of growth stacked on top of it. So, how do you actually calculate it? Technically, there's a formula. But if you're a beginner, you don't need to worry about that. What matters is understanding the effect through examples. So let me give you some examples. Example 1, you put 10,000 euros into an investment at 7% per year, and you never add anything else. After 20 years, it grows to over 40,000 euros. We have example 2. Same 10,000 euros at the start, but now you also add 300 euros every single month. After 20 years, instead of 40,000 euros, you have more than 150,000 euros. That's the difference consistent contributions make. So don't focus on the exact formula. Focus on starting as early as possible and being consistent. If you want to see these numbers for yourself, I built a free calculator on my website. You can put in your own starting amount, monthly contributions and timeline, and see exactly how your future can look. The link is in the description. But here's something even more powerful. Compound interest is not just about money. It's also a life principle. For instance, when you read 10 pages a day, that means dozens of books in a year. If you exercise 3 times a week, it's a completely different body in 2 years. If you practice a skill for 15 minutes daily, you get mastery in 5 years. Like money, your habits, knowledge and relationships compound over time. And that is the Lazy Workaholic philosophy. Consistency beats hustle. It's not about burning yourself out. It's about planting small seeds and letting time multiply them. So, to wrap up, compound interesting is simple but life-changing. Start today, even with small amounts. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Remember, the earlier you begin, the more time becomes your ally. Want to test it yourself? Try the free online compound interest calculator at Lazy Workaholic webpage. The link is in the description. And if you want the full philosophy of how to work less, achieve more, and build a life of freedom, check out my upcoming book Lazy Workaholic coming up this December. On the webpage you can sign up for the waitlist. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please hit the like and subscribe button and share with someone who needs to start investing today. Remember, don't just work harder, work smarter and let the time do the heavy lifting for you. Until next time, take care and see you soon.